Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare mint versus pink slime. We'll explore what each substance is, how they are produced, and their primary uses. This comparison will highlight their fundamental differences, helping you understand why they are not interchangeable. We'll also touch on the controversies surrounding one of them, providing a clear picture of both. Mint is a versatile herb, widely recognized for its cool, refreshing taste and aroma. It's a staple in many cuisines, from savory dishes to sweet desserts and beverages like mojitos and teas. Beyond its culinary uses, mint is also valued in aromatherapy and traditional medicine for its soothing properties. It's a natural, plant-based ingredient. Lean, finely textured beef, often called pink slime, is a product derived from beef trimmings. These trimmings are heated to separate fat, then spun in a centrifuge. Ammonia hydroxide gas is frequently applied to reduce bacterial contamination. This product is then blended into ground beef to reduce fat content and lower costs, typically making up a small percentage of the final product. When comparing mint versus pink slime, it's clear they are fundamentally different. Mint is a natural herb, prized for its flavor and aroma in countless dishes and drinks. Pink slime, or lean, finely textured beef, is a processed meat product used as an additive in ground beef. They are not interchangeable and serve distinct roles in the food industry, making a direct, better comparison irrelevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.